What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got for my birthday. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So my birthday was January 19th. Shout out to all of my Capricorns. We're the best. And yeah, so of course I was gonna buy myself stuff like always. So the first thing I got was from Sephora. This is the Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow 81. And I cannot wait to try this. I love Kayali, so let's open it and let's see how it smells. I ordered this on Sephora's website, so I actually have never smelled it before. So here is the bottle. The bottle is so pretty. So let's spray. So the key notes are freesia, strawberry, pink marshmallow, creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and pink musk. All I'm really smelling right now is the strawberry, which I'm not mad at because I love strawberry. But yeah, this is the Yum Bougie Marshmallow by Kayali. Actually gonna have to find that a spot, but for right now, it can just stay here. So the next thing I got was from MiuMiu, and this is my first purchase from them, and I got sunglasses because I am a sunglass girl. They come in this really cute velvet pouch, and I took these on vacation with me when I went to Puerto Rico for my birthday, and I just love them, and I got a lot of compliments on them. So here they are. They're a little dirty because I wore them, but they are just so cute, you guys. I love them. So yes, I got these from Farfetch. So next I went to Hermes, and this is actually a repurchase of mine. So I've had these sandals before and they got super dirty. I stepped in gum. They were just not it anymore. So I bought a new pair. So here is the box and this is the receipt. I also placed an order for another pair of shoes, and when those come in, I'll show you guys. And these are the Iran sandals in white. So here they are. I got a 37.5. So I actually got a bigger size of these. My old ones were 37, but I got really bad blisters from it rubbing right here, so I just got a bigger size just so it would give me more room right here. Now the last thing I got is this massive bag from Chanel. She didn't have any smaller bags, so this is a massive bag. And now my SA Chelsea, which I love so much. She's so sweet. If you guys are from Michigan, go see her. She's been trying to get me to purchase ready to wear for so long, and ready to wear from Chanel is not cheap. I feel like this was perfect for me because this will go with everything. Here it is. It comes with the hanger, which the hanger is beautiful, and it comes in this little dust bag. I love this. Got this, which it is so beautiful. This is a Chanel tank top. It is so perfect. So let me show you guys closer. It has this beautiful CC, which I hope you guys can see. It is silver and then goes down to black. So that is so beautiful. And this is from 25P. So this is brand new. So I'm gonna wear this a lot because black is my favorite color to wear. I love it so much. If you guys follow my channel, then you know. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.